Hey everybody, it's Dwayne. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel. Do me a favor, subscribe below, like all my stuff. Today we're just going to quickly talk about the weather. How does the weather affect you as a chronic pain person? I find the weather is a big factor in my pain. Today, it's a beautiful day out today. I'm just enjoying the weather in the backyard. I do smoke cigarettes, unfortunately. Just explain to me how the weather affects you. Does the rain affect you? Does the sunny weather like today affect you? Do you have good days, bad days in weather? Like what affects you as a chronic pain patient like myself? I find sunny days with a low humidity, I'm good. I find that when I went to Hawaii and visited and did things like that, you know what, I had no pain when I was out there because the humidity level was way down. Salt water from the ocean, big factor. I find that when I was there, I had nothing. Chronic pain was completely gone. I didn't suffer from any flares. I didn't suffer from any type of lethargy or anything like that. So I just need to know from you how the weather affects you, because it affects me a lot. So let's hear it. So do me a favor, subscribe first, like my channel, comment below, and explain to me what weather does to you, and stay tuned for my next video. We'll talk to you guys soon.